Shelly, the turtle, loved naps. Sun on her back, nose peeking out of her shell. That was pure bliss. One day, while napping under a big leafy tree, Zip, the Zoom, a speedy rabbit, bounced by. Hey, Slowpoke! Zip zipped a circles around Shelly. Why are you always napping? Come, race with me. Shelly yawned. Race? I'm not very fast. Zip laughed. Don't worry, Shelly. I'll win in a flash. Intrigued, Shelly peeked out of her shell. A race sounded fun. The other animals gathered around, buzzing with excitement. They set a finish line by the babbling brook. Zip zoomed off in a blur, leaving a trail of dust. Shelly, unfazed, took a steady, slow walk. The animals cheered for Zip, who reached the halfway point in seconds. This is too easy, he thought, and decided to take a nap under a shady bush. Meanwhile, Shelly kept walking, one slow step at a time. When Zip woke up, he stretched and realized he couldn't see Shelly anywhere. He dashed towards the finish line, but to his surprise, there was Shelly, peacefully crossing it. The animals erupted in cheers. Shelly, the Slowpoke, had won the race. Zip hung his head, embarrassed. How did you do it? He mumbled. Shelly smiled. Slow and steady wins the race. Zip, sometimes taking your time can be the best way to win. From that day on, Zip learned the importance of perseverance and never underestimating others. And Shelly, well, she still loved her naps, but she also loved proving that slow and steady truly does win the race.
If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.